Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 11th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Gemini, this is your channel song. Now he's back in the atmosphere and drops of Jupiter in his hair. He acts like summer and walks like rain. Reminds me that there's a time to change it. Since the return from the stay on the moon, and he listens like spring and he talks like June. But tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it through the Milky Way and see the lights are fading? That heaven is overrated. Tell me, did you fall from a shooting star? One without a permanent scar. And did you miss me while you were looking for yourself out there? I want you to tell me, did you sail across the sun? And did you make it through the Milky Way to see the lights are waiting? Did you know heaven is overrated? Tell me, did you fall from a shooting star? One without a permanent scar. And did you miss me while you were looking for yourself out there? Now, I'm getting drops of Jupiter. Did you come from Jupiter, Gemini? Jupiter would be your opposite sign. Now, Gemini rules Mercury. Your opposite of Mercury is Jupiter. The opposite of Gemini is Sagittarius. Now, while Mercury rules communication, Jupiter rules your luck. And they would say, it's not what you did. It's not what you said. It's how you say it, which relates to our luck. So I'm getting something about your Mercury and your Jupiter. Maybe you have the same zodiac in each sign. Or I'm getting your luck ties in to how you communicate. Okay? All right, but tell me, did you sail across the sun? Okay, anyways, and did you miss me while you were looking for yourself out there? Let's see, what is your incarnation in this lifetime? The devil, yeah. Tell me, did you sail across the sun? Did you make it through the Milky Way and see the lights of Eden? And that heaven is overrated. Sagittarius would tell you heaven is overrated, Gemini. So we have the devil here. Did you fall from a shooting star? One without a permanent scar. And did you miss? I feel like you missed the devil, Gemini, as weird as that sounds. Or I'm getting, you may be very quick to call somebody a devil, Gemini, but you live your life in sin. If you were supposed to live your life in a godly way, you'd be very unhappy. No more foul play, no more flirting, no more meaningless sex. You'd have to commit. And you'd have to commit not only to the house of the Lord, but you would have to commit to a woman who has been living in the house of the Lord. I feel like you're very quick to call somebody demonic when you don't get your way. But me getting, you live your life in a sin, you're a sinner, Gemini. You're a sinner. I don't care if your mom religious, your father religious, you is a sinner. You fuck out of wedlock. You have babies out of wedlock. You're having casual sex. You don't give a woman a commitment before you want her body. You're a sinner. So how are you to tell me about living my life godly when you are living it in sin? And just because you go to church and I don't, it make it even worse. You're a sinner. You have God for answer to. Who me have for answer to? Nobody. Anyways, so I'm getting the devil card. That's who you was. You was the devil, Gemini. You were evil. You were vindictive. You were greedy. You were gluttonous. You were wicked. Let's see what your spiritual gift is. I'm getting a Capricorn. The spiritual gift is the Queen of Wands. Maybe you know how to seduce, you know how to trap, you know how to control, and you know how to trick women. I'm getting you're a master communicator, a very charismatic person, Gemini. And I'm getting you know how to choose your victims carefully. You choose the one them that are soft, who don't make a fuss, who won't out you, who's scared to be embarrassed in public. That's the victims you choose, Gemini. You choose the one them who's scared to tell people what you do them, who's scared to make society look upon them weird. You choose the one them who soft, who nice, or will never yell them voice. I'm getting you were the devil, Gemini. You may still have traces of the devil. What's your weakness? Your weakness is the Eight of Cups, and you don't want to see what your weakness is. Me getting appearing with that devil blood. Yeah, you have a very, very strong attachments to intoxications. I'm getting alcohol. That's your weakness. Your weakness is the spirit. What's your strength? The King of Pentacles. You got a lot of money though. Me getting something about a Capricorn. Me getting Capricorn. Somebody's a Capricorn, Gemini. Yeah, deal with a Capricorn. Me getting Gemini, you have a girlfriend. So why are you watching who the Capricorn is dating? Me getting your eye the Capricorn to see who. Yeah, I hope the Capricorn not date somebody you like. But I'm getting you already have a woman over here. But if you're the devil, me getting one will never be enough for you. Nothing will ever be enough for you. You'll never be happy. Nothing will be enough. How are you using your skills to help? Yeah, so because you want devil, because you want Capricorn, me getting the only people that me help. What is this? What is me getting you want help she? Or the devil is bringing. Okay, so Gemini, me getting the devil gonna take one girl from you and give her to one Capricorn. Me getting you wicked Gemini, but you is a Gemini, you're not a Capricorn. Me getting the Capricorn wicked, but the Capricorn know how to control him wickedness because he is a devil. So me getting you are trying to be a devil in this lifetime, while the Capricorn, who is naturally the devil, he might try to be you. Or me getting your job is to tie this lady. You need to bind these two people together. But in order to bind them, both of them have to be earth signs. Me getting you one Gemini. So, me getting, you know how to bind white women. You don't know how to bind black women. Or you can't bind black women unless you're a Capricorn. This is what I'm seeing here. Because you're right beside him. But then Queen of Pentacles is beside her match. This could be something about melanin. Melanin, yeah, use melanin and do something Gemini. Maybe you're attracted to melanin. You're attracted to the dark pigment. Maybe that's something you never had in your head. You know, you develop this weird attraction to melanin. I don't know that's what it is. How are you using it to destroy the Chariot? So I'm getting you're like, fuck the police. Maybe, okay. So if you were a police officer in this lifetime, another lifetime, I'm getting you used to abuse your power as a police officer. You used to stalk women, abuse women, or you felt like women who maybe did any type of sexual work, you would punish them. Me getting one woman you turn a blind eye to. You turn a blind eye to this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman. Maybe she do the same thing what you do. Or me getting you turn a blind eye upon she because you never want to deal with the fact that she black. So it was easier for you to deal with somebody who was not black. But me getting, while you're being that choice, one Capricorn will come in, come take her. Me getting you're gonna lose her to a Capricorn. You're saying she's a gold digger because she's a snake. Well, the Capricorn is ready to give her what she wants. You're trying to call somebody a gold digger and a snake. Sir, your boss will not make you have a day off with pay. Talking about gold diggers, you're talking about money hungry. Nobody no more money hungry than your boss. You can't get no sick leave, you can't get no blood clot sick days. And you don't get Christmas bonuses. Your boss is more of a gold digger than I am. Your boss more money hungry than blood clot me. So me getting what you're destroying, you destroy. Okay, so if the Gemini is a police officer, one Capricorn, I'm gonna help you destroy that. What is your outcome? The High Priestess. Yeah, that is your reading. Maybe that's why the Gemini didn't want you. But me getting you gonna work for the devil. which is a Capricorn. So I'm getting the police, not police, it's the Capricorn I got help you. I'm getting the Gemini is actually the wicked one. I'm getting Gemini wicked. Yeah, the Tower card. We have the Hermit, the Lovers. Oh, the Lovers, Gemini again. Kill them with kindness. I'm getting everything is pointing towards you being with a Gemini, even though most of the Gemini have another woman. But I'm getting the Capricorn know how to treat you. Even if this was a bachelorette and the whole blood clot America tell you to choose the Gemini, because the Gemini was the best choice. I'm getting the Capricorn know how to treat you. The Capricorn know how to attend to you, not the Gemini. I'm getting the Capricorn willing to go against police for you. The Gemini won't. Yeah, can we just talk? Genius IQ and trust no one. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.